Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to add a little extra protein and fiber to your diet, or maybe you're trying to avoid grains, then I would love to show you this pasta. This is Banza Elbows. This Banza pasta is made from chickpeas, so it is gluten-free, high protein, and it is lower carb. So the cool thing about this is it has a nice soft texture like regular pasta, and I find that it works really well in any dish that I would use regular pasta with. This pasta cooks up like any other pasta, and it only boils for about 7 to 9 minutes, and then you are ready to use it. So I love that it does not have a grainy texture like a lot of gluten-free pasta does. It just has a really nice flavor. It's a little bit nutty from the chickpeas, but otherwise it really is just like regular pasta, but you get all the benefits of the chickpeas, so we just really love it. So we are big fans of this pasta. We eat it all the time, probably once a week, and really are super happy with it. And that's my point of view.